Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, January 17th. Looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So kind of the same theme as yesterday's. The market pushed low overnight. In fact, our overnight low comes within 5 ticks of our balance low. So after testing balance high a couple of times, the market now might be trying to attempt to push lower. So far, though, all efforts by sellers keep getting thwarted, right? Downside gaps, trend days down, not one of them have held so far early in the year. So that's interesting. Look at Righty. Now, don't forget, Righty gapped lower yesterday and held the gap. Well, here they are again, possibly looking to gap lower. Don't forget, they are down on the daily. ES and NQ are in balance. And Q pushed lower overnight, but for now, we're trying to get back inside of yesterday's range. Remember, another point of control that was going to be a downside destination, 9 wide, for now is an upside destination. So, you know, what's been played before affects what happens next and all things of that nature. So kind of a replay from yesterday, right? Where we rallied, we took back the gap, we got the POC. We did not get our afternoon rally high yesterday. NQ did. NQ almost took out Friday's high. So again, we still have 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, so we'll see what we have at that point. As far as a game plan, again, yesterday we took out the overnight low fairly quickly, but that's all they did initially, and then they traded up B, C, and D, which was kind of surprising to me. We'll see what results today. I mean, right here where we are, again, if we have a small gap, the odds of it holding are pretty slim, right? We're too far from the overnight low to take along, and certainly too far from the overnight high. Look at the overnight high. Number one, it's poor. Number two, look at that. It's weak against the afternoon rally high. Again, you can't make this stuff up. NQ does not have an afternoon rally high because M took it out from yesterday. Okay? So if we are to push lower this morning without a gap, or if we have a gap and fill it, then push lower. If you want to take a long against the overnight low, it's a good risk reward long for 2 reasons. Number one, they front run a lot. Number two, it's the bottom of a daily balance. However, it would be being done with lower value. Keep that in mind. On the flip side, if we push up again, maybe at the POC it's worth a short, but more likely it would be a good risk reward against the overnight high and the afternoon rally high and out above it. Again, 2 early plays, right? I'm on the mic from 9:15 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time every day talking about what the market is attempting to do while live streaming my profile. Can't get a much better deal than that. And then on the chart, weekly, right? Last week's high is the top of the balance. It's a 4-week balance. We'll see if we're going to get any energy to try to get above it. And on the daily, it's a 5-day balance. We've bounced off the 20-day moving average a couple of times. Now, right now where we're trading, the 20-day moving average closed at 473.23. So we're just below it right now. So again, the way we keep coming down to it, are they trying to get acceptance to finally get below it? Or are sellers constantly being rejected where we're finally going to come out of the balance to the upside? All remains to be seen. Good luck trading today. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.